So today we are reviewing the original poly-fil premium polyester fiber fill. This is 32 ounces. So we're going to be making a custom project with this. Now you can use this for stuffing animals or tons and tons of applications, but you'll see what we're going to do. Fill off here. Let's see how they put it. Pretty much like a little pillow. You got it set up. As we open it up, it's going to expand. So you see how it's expanding. And then you're going to want to take what you want to use. So it's very easy to mold and put together. It's very lightweight, very soft. So let's use it for what we're going to use it for. A sample. So once we have the whole thing covered, you won't see the LED actual lights, and it will look like different effects. So yeah, the poly works great. It's going to turn out really awesome.